What? The street life got me changing. I wonder what the fuck for. I keep to myself with my lips on a Newport. I catch myself flashing, mugging at my 38, looking into the mirror, get your motherfucking life straight. Mama always told me, stay your ass up out the street, nigga. Wonder why my fist used to change to a middle finger. Hit that damn lecture, I ain't even trying to hear that. About to get my cash, move on up and straight kick back. Then it kinda hit me when my partner shut his last. Then it kinda hit me when my partner shed his last day on this damn earth. Man, it hurts, my nigga passed away. Yeah. Yeah. Little something for y'all, little something, little something, you know. Sitting in confusion, thinking about my past life, kicking it with my partners, bumping hoes that were the fast type. Always busting free when smoking dank and hitting the shake 'em ups, giving each other hugs, cause we close, serving much love. Standing by my side, you never ran when the phone jumped. Lay you to this day, you never died in my heart, bruh. Keep it to myself, I reminisce about reality. Hold me to the heart, you never left, you're still a part of me. Never say goodbye, that's the truth, so believe that. See you at the crossroads, and we gon' fire up the dank sack. I bring the drink and let you know I got the dice too. Come on, 7-Eleven, I think I feel you. I think I feel you. Sitting in confusion, thinking about my past life, kicking it with my partners, bumping hoes that were the fast type. Fast type, she fast, man. She fast, right? She fast, right? That I mean thing.